Hi, everyone. We are here from Paperhand's show, The Gift, for 2025. It's their 25th anniversary. And this year is my fourth year volunteering, but it is Terry's first year in volunteering with me, and I'm very excited that we got to do this together this year. This is the last day of the show.
Welcome, welcome. Nice to see you all. I've been here a long time.
Terry's really been enjoying volunteering, haven't you?
Yes.
Yes, it's been a really fun time, and we're going to show you some parts of what happened here over the weekend and when we came out to see the show a few weeks ago. It's going to be a fun time. These are the Beavers from the Beaver Believer portion of the gift. Part of this, these are amazing costumes. This is just the back. Like we were looking at the belly and the legs inside, and they're so big and so heavy. I can't imagine wearing this. And in August, I mean, right now it's September at the end of the run of the show, but these were worn in August when it was the hottest that it could be. Generally, people are out there on stage in these heavy, hot costumes in the hottest part of the year, and I salute them for their brave generosity putting on this show, because it's always just such a beautiful thing to have Paperhand put on a show. So what are these?
These are, I call them light bulbs, but they're actually water drops. And during the show, all the water comes running out and grabs two of these to go back and pass around the audience. It's really crazy, kind of chaotic when they come running in here and they're all grabbing for water drops to take up to the crowd. It's pretty cool.
They light up, right?
Yeah, they light up.
Yeah.
Inside. So part of the prep is to turn all the lights on.
I got to hold one of these when we were in the audience. I think you did too, right?
When we watched the show, yeah.
Yeah, because they pass them through the audience. And it's really special, really cool.
Yeah, that's cool.
It's almost time for us to go out on the last show.
What are you doing with that pole?
This is part of the curtain that we're going to set up on the stage that creates a privacy screen for lots of things that are going to happen on stage. That
There you are. There you are. Now there. Would you like a little gift? A treat, my sweet. Here we are. For you, my love. What is a gift? Or the gift, for that matter. You'd get your hands in the water. You would look at bugs.
It's more of our spiritual connection, an ancestral DNA awakening in me.
Down by the river, beautiful river. Down by the river, river so free. I am here singing. The wind carries me.
So we plant seeds, a gift that moves through us.
To honor my grandmothers, I too must become a protector of these sacred waters. Become treasure conduit.